Withdrawing funds held by Uber can be a straightforward process if you follow the right steps. Here is a simple guide to help you navigate through it. Step 1. Open the Uber app. Launch the Uber app on your smartphone. Ensure you are logged into the account associated with the funds you wish to withdraw. Step 2. Access your earnings. Tab on the menu icon, usually located in the top left corner. From the menu, select Earnings to view your current balance and transaction history. Step 3. Choose Withdrawal option. Look for the option that allows you to withdraw your earnings. This may be labeled as Cash Out or Withdraw Funds. Tap on it to proceed. Step 4. Select Withdrawal amount. You will be prompted to enter the amount you wish to withdraw. Choose the amount carefully, keeping in mind any minimum or maximum limits set by Uber. Step 5. Confirm withdrawal method. Before filing a refund or dispute, use the Escrow.com link in the description to open the refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm your deadline. After completing these steps, you should receive a confirmation of your withdrawal request. Keep an eye on your chosen payment method for the funds to arrive.